गोसाई महाराज की जय, गुरुदेव की जय।
7 बजेगी नहीं बजाएगी कितना है
2 मिनट बाकी है।
बाकी है ना अभी आप बोलो दो शब्द बोल हैं
मैं तो
बोल दिया
आप बोलो कम है आज समय कम है आप बोलो
समझ आया अखिलेश जी बोलो सर दो शब्द
महाराज आप बोलो।
हाँ मैं तो बोलूँगी पूरे बैठे हुए ना आप दो शब्द बोलो 10 मिनट बोलो अच्छा 8 बजे खत्म करना है ना
ओम ज्ञानस्मरणस्य ज्ञानञ्जनशलाकया तस्मै श्रीगुरुवे नमः। नमो विष्णुपदाय राधिकाय श्रीकृष्णाय सुरक्षामोदय माधुर्य गुणेश्वरयुक्तं वरं वरेण्यं पुरुषं नारायणं तं चिरतनमामि। जय श्री कृष्ण चैतन्य प्रभु नित्यानंद श्री अद्वैत गदाधर श्रीवासादि श्री गौर भक्त वृंद। हरे कृष्णा 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे हरे। हरे कृष्णा 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे हरे। So, by the mercy of our Gurudev, our Guru Varga, we once again gathered to hear some glorifications of our Guru Varga and the divine couple, Nityananda Prabhu, Mahaprabhu, and the holy names. So, there is a slok in Srimad Bhagavatam in which Shukadeva Goswami is addressing to Parikshit Maharaj when he is thinking about Kali Yuga. Like everybody, all of us maybe are aware that whenever you see around, everywhere we see so many faults, so many disturbances and all, and our mind goes towards that side. But there, Shukadeva Goswami is in this slok, he is explaining how we should take this disturbance and how we should take this Kali Yuga. He says, Kale doshe nidhi rajan asti hi yako mahan kirtana deva krishnasya mukta sangha param brajati. He says, Kali is a Kale doshe nidhi rajan. He's saying the Kali Yuga, these times are times of disturbances. This is not only times of disturbance, it is an ocean of disturbance, ocean of faults. He's saying, but still, astiyako mahan, but still, although it is full of so many faults, it is mostly everything is faulty in this time. Everything is faulty. He's saying, astiyaka mahan guna. He's saying, but still, there is one wonderful, very beautiful quality. And Srila Vishwanath Thakur is describing about this, that he is saying that mahan gun, that very great quality, it means that he is saying that mahan gun means that although there are so many qualities, disqualities, so many disturbances, so many anarthas in this Kali Yuga, but because of this one quality in Kali Yuga, or this one quality in Kali Yuga, actually you can overcome all the disturbances, all the faults of Kali Yuga. So whenever we focus on the disturbances of Kali Yuga, whenever we see faults in Kali Yuga, whenever we see so many faulty things in Kali Yuga, so many disturbances, we should focus on this one thing. He's saying, what is that one thing? He's saying, Kirtana Deva Krishnasya. He's saying, if you chant the holy names of Krishna, that is the meaning. That is the meaning of all our what our Gurudev is saying, our Guru Varga is saying, Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, and who is giving us this holy names? Who is giving us this? These holy names are given to us by nobody else than Krishna himself, who has taken the form of Radharani, the mood of Radharani, who has taken the form and complexion of Radharani, and the mood of Radharani, and she is coming here, and he is coming here to give us, he has inaugurated this Mahamantra. He has inaugurated this Mahamantra, this movement of Mahamantra. What is it, why is it called Mahamantra? Everything is called mantra, but this is called Mahamantra. Why is it called Mahamantra? It's described. Whenever you chant a mantra, you have to take from somebody who has perfected it. Who has perfected it. Then it will, and if you follow the instructions, there are do's and don'ts in chanting a mantra. And if you do not follow those do's and don'ts, then maybe even though you have taken the mantra from a bona fide source, it can still cause some harmful reactions or actions. But this is called Mahamantra. Number one, you don't need to take this from anybody. You can chant on your own. And number two, this doesn't have to be perfected by you. Yes, it will give you a limited result. But if you want the ultimate result, then you have to take from the bona fide source. When you take from the bona fide source, then this will give you the ultimate result. What Shukdev Goswami described in the fourth line. Param Rajet, he's saying that Param Rajet, you will get the Param situation, you get the supreme situation of the residence in Braj. This is the meaning of Mahamantra, that you don't have to perfect it. There is no rules and regulation to this chanting. That is why it is a Mahamantra. And you can chant from any situation you are. Nobody should think that, oh, I am qualified, I am unqualified, I am disturbed, or I am not clean. Any situation you are in, any moment you are in, you can chant. And actually, I think that we should train our minds in such a way that we should chant day and night. Day and night, chant so that every time, like whatever you are doing, in the background of your mind, you should be chanting now. It is possible, it is very, very possible, and then we will get the highest ultimate goal, highest ultimate result that is possible in this universe. We will get, although this is Kali Yuga, full of faults, but just by following our Guru Varga, just by following our Parampara, we will get the highest, we can get the highest result. All we have to do is keep away from offenses. I think the most biggest disturbance, the offense is criticism. Do not criticize anybody. Even if you see some faults, how does criticism start? Criticism starts like this. I don't want to criticize him, but every time criticism starts with these words. Whenever you come to these words, I don't want to criticize, but stop yourself. I think this will save us from a lot of problems. I know everybody has come here to listen to one Maharaj. I have tried to just follow his order for 5 minutes. God Premanande.
और कोई बोलेगा नहीं माता जी बोलो जो सब
नहीं महाराज आपका सुनना है बहुत मुश्किल से आप आई।
अरे नहीं, पहले मैं आपके घर में आता ना सिडनी में, कितने बार भागवत सप्ताह किया था मुझे। 7 दिन भागवत सप्ताह उनके घर में किया और रहा कितने साल है। आप बोलो गुरुदेव कैसे आपके घर में आए वो कथा सुनो। हाँ गुरुदेव की कथा सुनो। हाँ बोलो तो माता जी का अरे गुरुदेव की कथा सुनो, कैसे गुरुदेव उनके घर में आए। बाबू जी आए नहीं है तब नहीं तबियत ठीक नहीं। हाँ बोलो बहुत अच्छी कथा है, गुरुदेव की महिमा सुनो। हाँ बोलो।
गुरुदेव पहले आए थे तो गुरुदेव ने कहा था कि वन महाराज आएंगे हमारे। महाराज इतने सिंपल आप थे महाराज, पहली बार आए हम पागल हो गए थे।
पागल हो गए
कितने लोग इस मुरबी लंबा से शेष लोग में कितने सारे लोग थे, वो सब आते थे हमारे यहाँ कथा करते थे, बहुत आनंद आता था। आप सब पहले का भी बताते थे, आप छोटे थे उस समय की आपकी कथा। वो समय चला गया महाराज, वो सतयुग था।
समय चला गया क्योंकि रह गया है।
अब आप आ गए हैं
मेमोरी
गुरुजी
रह
के।
गई।
अभी मैं देखती हूँ गुरुजी जब आते थे, उसके बाद जब आप आने लगे तो लगा कि हाँ अच्छा लगता है महाराज, आपकी कथा सबको अच्छी लगती है। भगवत सप्ताह भी किया था महाराज। आप
गुरवे गौरचंद्राय राधिकावली सदालय कृष्णाय कृष्ण भक्ताय तद्भक्ताय नमो नमः। नमो महावदन्नाय कृष्ण प्रेम प्रदायते कृष्णाय कृष्ण चैतन्य नाम्ने गौरतिसे नमः। हे कृष्ण करुणा सिंधु दीनबंधु जगत्पते गोपिकान्त राधाकान्त नमोस्तुते तप्तकाञ्चन गौराङ्गी राधे वृन्दावनेश्वरी वृषभानुसुते देवी प्रणमामि हरि प्रिया वै केशवस्य विष्णुभक्ति प्रदे देवी रत्नवाच्चरे नमो नमः भक्ताभिर्गेया अपराधलक्ष्यै क्षेपाश्चक्रमदितरङ्गमादि कृपामयितां शरणं प्रपदम् वृन्दे नमस्ते चरणारविन्दम् ते नमस्ते चरणारविन्दम् वृन्दे नमस्ते चरणारविन्दम् वृन्दे नमस्ते चरणारविन्दम् वृन्दे नमस्ते चरणारविन्दम् आजा मेरा अरविन्दनेत्रं स्मरामि राधां मधुरास्मितास्यम् पादामि राधां करुणावराद्रं ततो मम नास्ति गतेन कापि देवी काकुहरम् गदगदयद्वाच याचने पत्ते भुवि दण्डव दुर्भटार्ति अस्य प्रसादमवदस्य जनस्य कृत्वा गन्धर्विके निजगणे गणनां विधे अंगस्यामिलविचटामन्दिकृतेन्द्रिवरं जड्डं जाचो गुरुरुचिशं पट्टं ब्रस श्रीराधास पट्टं ब्रस श्री कृष्ण चैतन्य प्रभु नित्यानंद श्री अद्वैत गदाधर श्रीवासादि श्री गौरभक्त वृंद हरे कृष्णा कृष्ण कृष्ण हरे 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 राम 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 हरे 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 कृष्ण 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे 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 कृष्ण 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे हरे गुरुदेव की जय। So, first of all, I offer my humble, respectful Dandavat Pranam, the lotus feet of my spiritual master, Nitya Leela Pravishtam Vishnupad, Ashtutara Satasya Srimad Bhakti Vedanta, Srila Vaman Goswami Maharaj, and Nitya Leela Pravishtam Vishnupad, Ashtutara Satasya Srimad Bhakti Vedanta, Srila Narayan Goswami Maharaj. Simultaneously offer my humble, respectful Dandavat Pranam, lotus feet of Nitya Leela Pravishtam Vishnupad, Ashtutara Satasya Srimad Bhakti Vedanta, Srila Swami Maharaj, Srila Govinda Goswami Maharaj, Srila Bhakti Rakha Siddhar Goswami Maharaj, Srila Bhakti Pramod Puri Goswami Maharaj, Srila Bhakti Vigyan Bharati Goswami Maharaj, and all senior devotees and all Vaishnavis, and presented all of my respectful guests. So I will not take too much of your time. Yeah, today is everything is also very time, time limit. Okay, so no problem. But I have to speak few words, just purification of my tongue. Yaha Pavitram, our tongue will be purified, glorified about pastimes of Krishna, Krishna Katha. हरि बोल, बंद ही हो गया. हरे कृष्णा. यत्रैव गंगा जमुनात यत्र गोदावरी तत्र सरस्वती च सर्वाणि तीर्था वसन्ति यत्र अच्युत उदार कथा प्रसंग. In our scriptures explained in this way, तत्रैव गंगा जमुना च गोदावरी तत्र सरस्वती च सर्वाणि तीर्थानि वसन्ति तत्र यत्र अच्युत उदार कथा प्रसंगतः. Achyuta Katha means Krishna Katha. One who glorifies pastimes of Achyuta Krishna Katha, that place automatically all the pilgrimage place manifested. Ganga, Jamuna, Saraswati, Kaveri, Narmada, and all the holy river and holy place automatically manifested. Bhagavad Kathamritam. But this Kali Yuga, that Prabhuji also explained. Kali Yuga, one name is called, what is his name? Vivadaman Yuga. Vivad man Yuga. Vivad mane? Quarreling. Kalor, just Prabhuji recited the word. Kalor dosha nidhi rajana. In this Kali Yuga, everybody has faults. Who has no faults? Raise one hand. Who has no faults? Understand? Everybody has faults, but everybody looking to others' fault. This is the Kali Yuga. You understand? People are not looking their own fault. Looking whose fault? Others. Gurudev gave an example. And you know, what is it called? Strainer, no?
Strainer. Sieve.
Sieve. How many holes are there? Hundreds. So Sena was saying, the needle you have hole, but he is not looking how many holes. Yeah, this is true also. Kali Yuga, this is called the Kali. So for this regard, and when you look others' faults, then automatically no quarrel will come. For this regard, Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu saying, Kaharna ninda pare Krishna Krishna bole, Ajya Chaitanya saying, Jenive khali. No need to criticize others. Chant holy names. Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. This is the best way. Otherwise your mind will disturb. You can't do purify to others. Why? Because your heart is not purified, so how possible you purify to others? So first you should purify yourself. And so for the Atma Sangsodhan karo. What do you say? Atma Sangsodhan karo. So you purified your heart chanting holy names. Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. So saying, Karya ninda pare, Krishna Krishna bole, Ajaya Chaitanya say, Jini Veghale. You very easily to conquer to Krishna, chanting holy names. Very easy. Or if you criticize to others, this aparad will come. And your mind will be disturbed also. Disturbed or not? So Shastra is saying, no. What you are doing, you will be suffer. I will not suffer, you will not suffer. Who is committing sinful activities or committing any offenses, he will be suffered. And this is true or wrong? So for the Shastra saying, chant holy names. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. So maybe say, who will purify your heart? Krishna Bhagavan. Apiche sudracharo bhajate mang ananya bhako sadhureva samantabha samaga vyabhasita hisa. Kiprang bhavati dharmatma sachanti kontya pratijanihi name bhakta paranasati. Krishna says to Arjuna, very simple way. And one who performs bhajan and sadhan, one pointed with me. Krishna is saying, Apichet Sudrachur. Even Sudracharo. Sudracharo means very degraded, low-minded. Apichet Sudrachar. Bhajate mang ananya bhak. But his one good qualification, that is called, he worshipped to me, one pointed. Apiche Sudracharo bhajate mang ananya bhako. Ananya bhak means he does not worship any others, demigod and demigoddess. Only worship to Krishna. That is called ananya bhak. So Krishna says, I am taking his responsibilities. If he has any faults, everything, I will purify it. You cannot purify it because he belongs to me. As like baby, stooling, passing, is there? What is there? Nothing. Who cleaned? Mother or father? Father does not, I think so. Maybe okay. Mostly who is cleaning? Mother. Then mother clean and taking back her lap. If you give to me, I will take. Hey, this is true or not? If the baby is coming on my lap, sometimes they go, Maharaj, take my baby. I will take photo. That's a joke. This is true or not? But baby, what is called? I will take regularly. This is true or not? Who will clean? Mother. Because, understand? So here Krishna very clearly explained, Apiche Suduracharo. One is called Durachar. Bad behavior. And is called Sudurachari. Use this word, adjective also here. Suduracharo. Durachar or Suduracharo. Apiche Suduracharo. But bhajate mang ananya bhako. He one pointed with me. So for this regard, I am taking a responsibility. So Krishna is saying, you always say, he is sadhu. Apiche Suduracharo bhajate mang ananya bhako. Sadhu reva samantabha. Mantabha means this is my opinion, conclusion, Supreme Court. Conclusion. He is sadhu. You say, no, he is not sadhu. You cannot say this way. So, Apiche Suduracharo bhajate mang ananya bhako sadhu reva samantabha samaga vyabhasiti sa. Kiprang bhavati dharmatma. Soon he will become great devotee. Look at this. Why? Because I am taking responsibilities. Sachanti konte pratijani man name bhakta pranasati. Hey Arjun, you will take vow. those who are one pointed with me, that's my devotee will never fall down. So conclusion is that no need to criticize to others. Chant holy names. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Especially in this Kali Yuga, there are no any other process attend to Lord. Kali Yuga में केवल नाम अधारा सुमेरु सुमेरु नरह उत्तर ही पारा है. Kali Yuga में केवल नाम आधारा. In this Kali Yuga there are no any other process. Only rendering chanting holy names. You attain your highest perfection goal. That means people are thinking, I will perform karma, jnana, yoga, tapasya, austerities, different things, finance and these things. But here very clearly explained in this Kali Yugas, Nam Sankirtan. Kritaja adhyato Vishnum Tretayang Jajate Makhai Dapare Puricharjayang or Kalu Kesava Nama Sankirtanam. Kritaja adhyato Vishnu. Srimad Bhagavatam gives evidence. In Krita Yuga means Satya Yuga. Which Yuga? Satya Yuga, golden age. Satya Yuga, the people they perform their meditation. Kali Yuga very difficult to meditate. Close your eyes, meditate, then automatically your family's meditation will come. Or otherwise, sleepiness will come. Two things will come. Understand? And we chant Om Bhu Bas Bhuva. Bilkul sleepiness. What do the dhyan? Kali Yuga also is not possible dhyan. But Satya Yuga, the people they meditate to Lord. They are there with Vishnu. Because Satya Yuga, there are people, their age also how many years? 100,000. 1 lakh. 100,000 years they are age. Or Satya Treta Yugas to perform fire sacrifice. Treta Yugas. Or Kali Yuga perform fire sacrifice is not possible also. You cannot get the perfect ingredients of fire sacrifice. So how to perform fire sacrifice also? And Treta Yuga, there are people also alive how many years? Who knows? And 1 0 less, 10,000 years. Dapare Paricharjayam. In Dapar Yuga, people they worship Lord with archan. Dapare Paricharjayam. And people they alive how many years? Again 1 0 less. 1,000. And Kali Yuga 1 0 again less. 100 years or very rare also. Here you stay here. Who is 100 years old? Raise one hand. 95 years. Who is 95 years? Very difficult to find out. 90 years? Not for sure. Are now here. Australia many also will they also maybe 100 years. Why not? But very rare. They are just saying this. This is it. Kali Yuga's 80, 90 years, then finish. So, and also many kinds of disease also. Suffering many kinds of disease. Who is free from all kinds of disease? Raise one hand. You? We have more. And now you are young, no? You are very strong. Only 25 years old. You. So what will do? But Kali Yuga, for this year, Kali Yugas, not possible meditation, not possible fire sacrifice, or not possible archan. So Kali Yuga, what will do? Nam Sankirtan. Chant holy names. And Hare Nama, Hare Nama, Hare Nama Iva Kevalam, Kalau Nasteva, Nasteva, Nasteva Gatirannatha. In this Kali Yuga, Nam Sankirtan. And if you chant holy names, all the potency you will get in Nam Sankirtan. Especially in this Kali Yuga, Lord invested all his potency in his Nam Sankirtan. And all the fruits of Satya Yugas, then Treta Yugas, fire sacrifice, or Dapar Yugas, archan. You will get everything fruits in just in chanting holy in simple way. So for the Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, just to us, simply chant holy names. Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. If you chant holy names, what fruits will you get? क्या फल मिलेगा? बोले चेतो दर्पण मार्जनम भव महादावग निर्वापनम श्रेया कैरव चंद्रिका वितरणम विद्या वधु जीवनम आनंदम मुदि वर्धनम प्रतिपदं पूर्णमृत आसादनम सर्व आत्म स्नपनम परम विजयते Shri Krishna Sankirtan. Very sweet. Just you take it very nice with it. Cheto Ariga. Cheto Darpana Marjanam. You think this is your? Yeah, mirror. He's saying the mirror. He said. This mirror is full of dust. This is your heart. Hidaya Rupi Darpan. The mirror of heart. So now he is completely covered with the dust. What is the dust? Lust, anger, envious, all kinds of bad things, not good things. Full of dust. So how clean is this? For chanting holy names, it could clean. So cheto darpana marjanam भव महादावग निर्वापनम श्रेय कैरव चंद्रिका वितरणम विद्या वधु जीवनम आनंदम मुदि वर्धनम प्रतिपदं पूर्णमृत आसादनम सर्व आत्म स्नपनम परम विजयते Shri Krishna Sankirtan. All glory to chanting of holy names. Nam Sankirtan. Very simple. Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu taught to us. And especially Lord invested all his potency in his holy names. Nam Namakari Bahuda Nija Sarva Sakti Sarvita Nimita Smaranena Kala Etadrishi Tava Kripa Bhagavan Mamapi Duddaiva Vidrisha Ajano Nanuraga Nam Namakari Bahuda Nija Sarva Sakti. Hari se bada Hari ka name. Hindi words. Holy names is higher than Sri Hari. So the Hari se bada Hari ka name. Holy names is powerful. Naam Kali Yugas. Hari se bada Hari ka name. So saying Nam Namakari Bahuda Nija Sarva Sakti Sravita Nimita Smaranana Kala. Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu very humbly saying, but I have no taste to chant Lord's sweet names. नम नमकारी बहुदा निज सर्वशक्ति श्रावित निमित्त स्मरण न काल एतादृश दुर्दैव में दिशो न जानो अनुराग है. दिस इज माई दुर्भाग्य माने अनफॉर्चुनेट. लुक, I have no taste to chanting holy names. Everybody know the glories of holy names. Naam Prabhu, how is you powerful? But still, I have no taste to chant holy names. Why? तबे जानो अपराध प्रचुर कृष्ण नाम बीजताते नहाय अंकुर. That means many of offense, aparad, not this life, millions birth, that offense in my heart. For this regard, no taste to chanting holy names. You have taste to mundane katha, but very difficult to taste to chanting. Listen Hari katha. Who has taste to listen Hari katha is great fortune. Mahaprabhu Krishna katha ruchi jar se Mahabhagavan. What is it? Who has taste to listen Hari katha is great fortune. Nibret tarsai upagiyamanat bhavo sada stotra mano viramat kavuttama sloka gunanuvadat umano virajjet बिना पशुघ्नात. श्रीमद् भागवतम 10th canto, 1st chapter, श्लोक number I think 4th. Very clearly explained. निवृत्त तरसै उपगीयमानात् भवो सदा स्तोत्र मनो विरामा कवोत्तम श्लोक गुणानुवादात् पुमान विरजेत Bina Pasugnat. They are saying who has no taste to listen Hari Katha or Harinam. He is as like butcher. Butcher, understand? Those who are killing the animals. They are very hard-hearted, cruel. Very clearly, Bina Pasugnat. Even impartialists, those who want to merge in Brahma, even they listen Krishna Katha, they will give up their meditation to merge in Brahma. How is powerful Krishna Katha? Those who are suffering three folds of Maya in this material world, Adhyatik, Adidevik and Adibodhik. Even they listen Krishna Katha, they will forget everything. And Krishna Katha is very powerful. Right? So saying, they say, Nibritta tarse upagyamana bhavusudastatra mano virama kauttama sloka gunanubadat pumana virajjet bina pasugnat. Krishna Nam, Krishna Katha. So Mahaprabhu taught to us, always absorb in Krishna Nam and Krishna Katha. Asad Bharta Pari Hari, Mukhe Vala Hari Hari. Give up the mundane talk, always speak Krishna Katha, Krishna Nam. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Then Lord Chaitanya we can say, how will chant holy names? Trinadapi Sunichena Taroriva Saishruna Amanina Manadena Kirtaniya Sadahari. I think everybody knows these words. What is this word? Trinadapi Sunichena Taroriva Saishruna Amanina Manadena Kirtaniya Sadahari. We have to acquire the 4 qualifications. All is very humble, more than the blade of grass. Blade of grass has no, grass has also his own ego. What is that? I am grass. If you press your feet and in top of the grass, grass will become angry. Angry or not? No? He's saying no. You step on the grass or not? Grass also, hey, why did you step on me? So for this, and he's pointing up your, what is called? Soul. Protest. Hey, why do you? But he are saying, Tinadapi sunichana, more than the blade of, you will be humble more than the blade of grass. Grass has no power. For this regard, when you press your feet on the grass, grass automatically down. But when you again lift your feet, then grass again comes up. Well, Hari Bol. Have you seen or not? Okay, tomorrow morning when you go, morning go again, expect you turn your face, then the grass again will come back on earth. But here saying the who is Vaishnavas, he is always this qualification. Trinadapi, so here the Trinabi sunichena. Trinadapi sunichena. Or second qualification is Tarorivo Sahisnuna. You have be tolerance as like tree. Not more than tree, you cannot tolerance. Tree's tolerance is very, that is called unique and unparalleled. If you cut the tree, tree also will give the fruits. Look this. And tree will never complain also. Give fruits. Okay, take these fruits. And if you cut the tree with your, what is called X. And if that is called if the chandan tree, you understand? Sandalwood, cut that the X also smelled with fragrance of sandalwood. Look this. How is this? So for this Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu give this example. Always tolerance as like tree. Tanad Vishwin Taruva Shrishna. Or Amani and Manadena. The two things are very important. Always give respect to others and never hankering for your own name, fame, reputation. Glorified to Vaishnavas. Glorified Gurudev, glorified to Vaishnavas. No need to look their faults. Understand? This is the process. What the Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu saying. Tanadapi sunichena taroriva sahisnuna amanina manadena kirtaniya sadahari. Kirtaniya sadahari. Holy chant, holy names. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Fourth slok. Nadanang najanang sundaring kavitang va jagadisa kame mama janma janmanesari bhavata bhakti aituki tai. Pray to Lord, O my Lord, you will give me aituki bhakti, causeless bhakti. I will serve your lotus feet. That is called aituki bhakti. One is called hetu bhakti, another is called aituki bhakti. Hetu bhakti means you serve by asking something. That is called hetu mula bhakti, with cause. Or another aituki bhakti. Here Mahaprabhu is saying, ask to Lord, give me causeless bhakti. And I will not ask anything from you. Or if you give, no, I want to give, then what to say to Lord? I will only serve your lotus feet. Seva. This thing. No need to ask to other things from Lord. है सोचिए न धनंग न जनंग सुंदरिंग कवितांग व जगदीश कामये मम जन्म जन्मनिश्चर है भवता भक्ति अहेतु की दिस इज प्रे टू लॉर्ड नथिंग है सेवा विद बिकॉज जीवा's spontaneous nature to serve to Lord. Jiva sarupgata vritti. Sarupgata vritti means spontaneous nature of the jiva to serve to Krishna. Jiva sarup hoy Krishna nitya das. All you are the eternally servant of Krishna. And this is a spontaneous nature to serve to Krishna. Krishna das. Understand? Now we are coming in this material world, or now we are giving our identification. Which das? Maya das. We are the servant of Maya. Maya das. But with the association of Sadhu, Guru, Vaishnava, then we realize I am not the servant of Maya. I am the servant of Krishna. Krishna das. जीव कृष्णदास यही विश्वास कर ले तो आर माया भाई नहीं यह भक्ति ठाकुर जी ने when with this faith will come I am the eternally servant of Krishna then you will free from Maya. Hare Krishna 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 Hare 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 Rama Ram Ram Hari Hari. For this guy Isopanishad one sloka is Ya Jasya Hare Dasya Karmana Manasa Gira Nikhilasya Vyavasthitanang Jivan Mukta Sauchate. Who is called Jivan Mukta Purush? Or the English term Jivan Mukta means
Liberated soul.
Liberated soul. He is living in this material world, staying in this material world, but he is not attached with any material things. He is called Jivan Mukta Purush. Yes, Upanishad, Isopanishad very clearly explaining this. Yaha Jasya Hare Dasya. One who thinks I am the eternally servant of Krishna. Yaha Jasya Hare Dasya. Karmana Manasa Gira, with his body, mind, speech, serve to Krishna. So saying these words. संस्कृत वर्ड से यह जस्स हरे दस्से कर्मणा मनसा गिरा निखिलस्व व्यवस्थितांग जीवन मुक्त सौच्यते. In this material world, what we are looking, everything belongs to Lord. This is not mine. Everything belongs to Lord. So I will serve to Lord. And this is the process. Because I have to stay in this material world. So what will do? Everything belongs to Lord. So how to serve to Lord? These ingredients. Just give an example. If you worship the Ganga Devi, understand Ganga Devi or not? How to worship to Ganga Devi? With the water of the Ganga. Ganga Jali, Ganga Puja. Understand? And you worship, there is a Ganga with the Ganga water. In the same way, everything belongs to Krishna in this material world. And with these things, you also worship to Lord. This is not mine. This belongs to Lord. Lord He gave and Lord will take back. This is not mine. मुट्ठी बंद के आया तू हाथ पसार के जाएगा. All we took bars from the home of mother, just close our hand. What did you bring? Nothing. Or when we give up this body, then we will open our hand. Nothing. एक काना कौड़ी हमारे साथ में भी नहीं जाए. लाया तो नहीं कुछ, जाएगा क्या चीज? I did not bring anything, also I will not take anything. धरा की वस्तु धरा में ही रह जाएगा. Understand? In this material world, everything is here. No one go with you. Your wife will go with you or not? No one. Husband will go with you? No one. Sons, daughters, wealth, money will go with you? Nothing. Even one small needle also you cannot take with you. Once Narada Rishi, he came in the palace of king. That king was very miser. Miser, understand? Conjus. Lot of wealth of money. Narada Rishi came. But the king's servant, he told, now king is very busy and he cannot meet with sadhu. Because general people are thinking sadhu is coming means sadhu will ask, give me some donation. So for this regard, that miser king, he told his servant, and I have no time to meet with sadhu. But Narada is very clever sadhu. Now he is thinking, anyhow I will give associate to Narada Rishi. Narada Rishi Sangha mai dunga. So for this regard, Narada Rishi came in the back door, knocked the door, front door no one open. Understand? Maybe a small hole. Here is not a small hole and he looking who is coming. So Narada Rishi come in the back door. पिछले की दरवाजा में Narada Rishi knocked the door. Then Maharani, he opened the door. Ladies are little bit soft. Understand? Ladies are not miser. Very, this is true or wrong? Some, okay, maybe, I don't know. Mostly ladies' heart is very generous, soft. This is true also. That means I am not criticized to gents. So don't worry. Understand? Yeah. Here is 50-50 also, I think. 50 gents and 50 ladies. So don't you think I am taking the any side? General way we are looking this. Ladies are little bit soft. Then Maharani's very love and affection with call to Narada Rishi inside in our house and Narada Rishi told, listen, Maharani, queen, and I tell to you, just now I have come from Sargaloka, heaven. Then queen she told, oh, very nice. Have you any message from heaven? Well, yes. Listen very carefully. Indra Maharaj, he sent me, Narada Rishi told. Your husband, he is very pious person. In his life, he did many charity donation. In his life, he did not give any charity donation, nothing. But Narada Rishi is very sweet, what is called? Eloquent words. उसको फुलाना है ना?
Boost his ego.
He's saying boost his ego.
Boost in the ego.
Boost in the, within this. Your husband, king, very generous and giving many so much charity, don't say, many life he did. For this regard, Indra told me, just today, your husband will be die. Then queen, what will do? I give this message to your husband. Then queen, she gave message to king. Even when queen message he got, and then queen very quickly come inside, then meet with Narada Rishi. Before he could told, no, I don't want to meet with sadhu, because sadhu has come means you asked donation. General people, they are thinking this. 99.9 people, this is their mentality, conception. The sadhu has come in my house means, and he asked me to make some donation. But now this is told, no, I have come here, I will not take any donation from anything. But just I tell to you, hey, king, today you will die. Now they say, Indra, he sent me this message to give you. But you are a very pious person, and you did many charity donation. Understand? Not so easy, do you understand? Indian people taking one coin, going to the temple of Hanuman temple, and taking very tightly holding the one coin, and thinking the guy is giving. Then with everybody even says he is going to back. Then Pujari taking the Aarti tray, and when coming, then everybody gave one coin. Then thinking, my time has come, I have to give. Otherwise, everybody will say, hey, you are very Maya. So, though, maybe 10-15 minutes, he holds that the one coin very tightly, so much sweat coming in his hand. And when he open his hand, then is so much. So at that time he's saying, hey Lakshmi Devi, why you are crying? Don't cry. Don't cry. I'll not give you anyone to. You are my artist. Then he took that. You understand? So, but nowadays he told, and Indra told me, in your life you did many charity, don't many things. So for this regard, after your death, you will go heaven. And everything is all prepared for you. Very nice bed. Everything provided for you. Nice bed, and everything is very nice accommodation for you. But in the heaven, and little bit some also mosquitoes are there. So, but Indra told me, in your bed there's mosquito net is there. You use mosquito net? Not here. Here people use the some cream. But Indian people, they use also mosquito net. Some use, some not. Okay, now I'm coming there. But there is also one mosquito net is there. But in the mosquito net, one small hole is there. Small hole is there. So, please, when you die, then you can bring one needle and small thread. Then you can repair. Understand? Understand? And just I tell you, I bought my mosquito net with me, I did not check. Then here you will come, then check my mosquito net. That, big hole, man, that is the what is called? Stone. Stone. Then I gave to him. Repair or not. Still I am not looking because there is no need. Put mosquito nets. Just I remember this thing. So now this is told. Indra told me, hey king, when you will die, then you will bring one small needle and thread. Then you can bury them. They're not so big. Maybe 1 inch, half inch hole. So you can repair with them. Then king told, how possible? When I will die, will take or not? Needle and thread. Well, no, not possible. So why you are collecting lot of wealth, money, these things? That time king realized what is the meaning of this life. So for the Isopanishad saying this verse, Isha yajasya harer dasya karmana manasa gira niklasya avasthitanang jivanmukta sa uchyate. He is called Jivanmukta Purush. He is staying in this material world. Staying as like us also. Doing bhajan and sadhan. But he is not attached anything. So the Ishavasya, everything belongs to Lord. This is not mine. So everything belongs to Lord to serve to Lord. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. This is our process. This is called the art of living. जीवन की कला, this is You stay in your household, you stay with your families, take care everything, but you think everything belongs to Krishna. Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. This is the process. How we will completely surrender to Krishna. And our Akhilesh Prabhu, and how is called? Prakash Prabhu, Adis Prabhu, Nan Prabhu, क्या नाम? What is your name? Nan. Also we are coming the house. Praveen Prabhu, all the Meena Didi, all these. Here all the devotees I am looking how they completely surrendered to Gurudev and servicing and chanting holy names. Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama. And our original Paramananda Prabhu, very nice devotee, and he is a disciple of Gaura Govinda Goswami Maharaj. Heavy chest touch. So and so love and affection also, and his wife also, Braj Kishori Didi, our also what is called, Leela Didi also. First I also came in Sydney. I was staying their house also. They are servicing Guru and Vaishnavas. Mukunda Prabhu, he drove me car, Europe, whole Europe travel. So many Vaishnav Seva. Bringing to the whole Europe, driving there many hours. Not many, though, many Vaishnavas. Vaishnava Seva. So I am coming here, Australia, most of the devotees, how they completely surrender to Guru and Vaishnava and service. This is called our spiritual life. This is called Krishna. So what the Lord Chaitanya, what the Bhaktivinoda Thakur saying, Krishna sansar karo chhari anachar. Jive daya Krishna nam sarva dharma sar. The essence of dharma, that is called Jive daya. Jive daya means it. How to help the living entities, they develop their spiritual life. Mahaprabhu told, preach Nam Sankirtan and tell to everybody, Pati Gare Gare Gya, Mago ye Bhiksha. Go to house and ask donation. What donation? Well, oh my mother, oh my sister, you chant holy names. Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare. Anasaktasya Jivan. Your life will be detached from material sensibility. And chanting holy names. This is the process. This is our process, how to detach from material sensation. You have to stay in this material world. You have to eat or not. You have to sleep or not. But everything you have to do for Krishna Seva. When I used to go, what is called New Braj, America, her father so much love and affection. What is his name? Nanda Gopal Prabhu. Maybe more than 30 years before, he also traveled with me in Jagannath Puri. And so much love and affection and cooking, servicing. Still he also remember. When I used to go New Braj, he always glorified how to serve this Katha. Love and affection. There are many. What he told, I'm saying every year, but I cannot forget. Krishna Katha. Very sweet. And her father, look. And even all her families also. So sweet, love and affection, servicing Guru and Vaishnavas. And Gurudev very pleased with them also. When Gurudev used to come, New Braj, and they are doing very nice, beautiful drama, servicing every day. Still that tradition is going on. What is called that? Braj Festival is going. They are doing this. I think many also you attend a Braj festival. And during the time of Gurudev? No, another time. Okay, no problem. But there's the same tradition is going on this way. Servicing Guru, Vaishnavas. This is going on. Very nice, beautiful prasad, Harikatha, drama. They are doing the same tradition is this. Thank you for your kindness. Yeah. Australia also coming many years. And Australia I'm coming more than 27 years, I think. Yes?
28 years. 2 years.
Okay. I am looking here, devotee also nice, love and affection. I have no qualification, but devotee has so much love and affection. Why? Because this is the mercy of Gurudev. I have no qualification, but Guru Kripa hi kevalam. I remember this thing, Guru Kripa. Always remember this, Guru Pad Padma. This is not my any credits. Everything credit for Gurudev. Understand? This is our process. Do bhajan and sadhan. Chant holy names. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Bicharile gunodosak Krishna pahavi Madhava. Madhava bahuta minati kori toya. You sing this song. Very nice, beautiful song. I think Vidyapati is composed these verses. Madhava bahuta minati kori toya. Ganaile guna desa no pahavi moya. And if you count my any good qualities, you cannot get anything. In my life full of those means faults. But you are very merciful. And you give me shelter this way. In the same way, sadhak always think, I have no any qualification. Everything's the mercy of Guru and Krishna. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare. And if I glorify to one, and first I came in Prakash Prabhu's house. I said, 98 things. 97 or that time that house was in the bank of the river that side. And that time his daughter and also son, Maina and Coffee, they are very small. They also with me and traveling. Many remembrance come. Love and affection this. I am saying this is called the Lokik Sadbandhuvat Priti. They have love and affection as like families. So Bhakti Vinod, Srila Sanatana Goswami Pad, Brihad Bhagavatam Mritam very clearly explained. But how to attain the Braj Bhakti? When you make the friendship with the devotees of Lord, as like your family's member, then it's very easy to attain to Lord. By the performing bhajan and sadhan, you cannot attain. That means by the performing of Vaidhi Bhakti, following the rules and regulations of the Shastra, very difficult to attain to Lord. But if you make the friendship with the devotees of Lord, that is called Lokik Sadbandhuvat Priti. Then very easy to attain to Lord. And just to finish this katha, now time is over. And almost, what is the time? 8. But he is saying 8 o'clock I have to finish. I finished it. Brahmaji, he committed offense to lotus feet of Krishna because he stole Krishna's cowherd boys and calves. But when Brahmaji realized this, Krishna is not ordinary cowherd boy, Krishna is Bhagavan. Then Brahmaji recited many stav stuti. That is called Brahma stuti. Many Brahma stuti there. 40 slokas Brahmaji, he recited. Brahmaji recited 40 slokas, lotus feet of Krishna. But Krishna is not happy. But just one sloka Brahmaji, he recited. Glorified, little bit glorified to Brijavasi. Then Lord become very pleased. With the slok. Everyone, Aho Bhagga, Maho Bhagga, Nanda Gopa Bhajaukasam Janamittang Paramanandam Purna Brahma Sanatanam. Then Krishna smiled. That means, okay, now, okay. Huh? Anybody would we speak about Braj Katha, Braj Lila Katha. Krishna saying, I completely sold out myself. Because Krishna has so much love and affection with the Brajavasis. Eh? Subal, Sinam, Shidam, Nanda, Jasoda, and Gopis. Let me be glorified about Gopis. Then Krishna was very happy. Eh? Because Krishna himself told, Na parayang nirbuddhang sanjung sasadu kritam vivadu sapiva jama durjaya griya sinkala sangbishya pratijatu sadhuna. Krishna told, hey Gopis, I cannot repay your debt. Even I will serve your lotus feet as the age of Brahma. I will not free from your debts. Because you completely surrendered to me. You served to me. And you gave up everything for me. So for this regard, Krishna is saying in this verse, No parang nirvaddang sojang sasadu kritta vivudha usapiva jama durja griya sinkala sangbishya pratijatu sadhuna. Krishna is the Supreme Personality of Godhead saying Bhagavan. He is saying, I completely what? Rini. Money means indebted the lotus feet of Srimati Radhika. Look at this thing. So Braj Katha, Krishna will be very happy. Balo Krishna Vrindavan Chandra Krishna ki Jai Srimati Radha Rani ki. Or if you glorify little bit Srimati Radhika, then Krishna will say, what things I will give, I don't know. Radha, Radha Karavachita Pallava Vallari ke Radha Padanka Vilasito Madhura Stali ke Radha Jaso Mukha Matta Kagavali ke Radha Vyara Vipinam Ramatang Manome. Prabhudananda Saraswati Path. Very nice, beautiful. This is the glorification of Vrindavan Dham and Vrindavaneshwari Srimati Radha. Balo Radha Rani ki Jai Jai Sri Jai Jai Sri Vancha Guru Kripa Sindhu Vaivacha Patitanang Pavane Bho Vaishnave Bho. Balo Govinda Balo Hari Gopalo Bolo Govinda Govinda Balo Hari Gopala Bolo Govinda Meru Radha Ramana Giridhari Giridhari Sam Banohari Meru Radha Ramana Giridhari Giridhari Sam Banohari Nitai Gaura Hari Bol Hari Bol Hari Bol Hari Bol Hari Bol Hari Gaura Hari. Thank you for your kindness. You can collect this book, what story I told to you, and the king and Narada Rishi. This story also in here. You can collect this. So many stories in this book. Very nice. That is called Upakhan Upadesh. These stories with a moral. And very nice, beautiful katha is there. Everybody collect this book. Read for your children. Read for you. Read for your father. Read for your mother. Read for your husband. Read for your wife. Everybody can read it. Very nice, beautiful. Jai Jai Shri Ram. Another this book also. These are also manifested. Very nice, beautiful book. That is called Sapta Sindhu Gunavati Sri Radha. How will you meditate Srimati Radhika? How will you meditate Ashtasakis? How meditate to Manjaris? Because our aim and object, how to serve to Srimati Radhika under guidance of Rupa Manjari. So everything is also in this book. If you interest, you can collect this book also. Very nice book this. बोलो वृंदावन बिहारी लाल की, बोलो राधे राधे राधे, जय 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 श्री राधे राधे राधे। राधा रानी की जय, महारानी की जय, राधा रानी की जय, महारानी की जय, राधा रानी की जय, महारानी की जय, राधा रानी की जय। हेलो राधा रानी की जय, जय श्री राम। ओके ओके ओके, नाउ टेक प्रसादम। He wants to speak.
Hare Krishna.
हाँ, take this mic, Prabhu
On
ji.
behalf of Brisbane Bhakti Europe, I just
Bhakti
like to
Yog
thank
Society.
Maharaj ji, and also like to thank our host